Hello, it's Donna, and I am here for the Dolls Gone Goth collaboration that is being organized by Marna at Dolls Rescued and Dory at Dories Dollies. This is an Our Generation girl that I had purchased and have removed her hair, put on a different wig, and made this little outfit. The rest of this video is about how I made this little video or this little outfit for her. The collars aren't quite sitting the way I want to, and I do really like her French cuffs. But hope you see something that you like in here, and I hope that it inspires you to take patterns that you have and try to modify them and create new things. So here we go. Hello everyone, it's Donna, and I'm starting this video, or this is a video that I'm doing for the Wednesday Addams challenge, Girls Gone Goth, and I am trying to come up with a Wednesday dress with a mishmash of patterns. And what I'm going to be doing, I think, at least starting out initially, the pattern I'm going to try to do is the Janice dress from Apple Totes, and I have the front and back here and the facing, and then I am actually going to use the Lenox turtleneck sleeves. It's a turtleneck pattern also from Apple Totes. And I am planning on making these sleeves fit this dress. I actually looked at the two pattern pieces, and there's really not that much difference, but I really wanted a long sleeve, and I may actually taper it in a little bit. And then I am going to at least attempt to use the Parker jacket collar to make the collar for the top. I'm not sure if it's going to actually work the way I want it to, but at least I'm going to try to make this, and I'll probably pin it on the garment first before sewing it on to see if it's going to actually do what I want it to do before I go ahead and do it. If not, I will probably use this collar piece as a starting point to draft my own. But I do have a couple of surprises that I want to do with this outfit, and we'll continue on. See you in a little bit. So I got the dark part of the dress cut out. I'm going to be utilizing the sleeve actually to make some white cuffs to go on here. I'm not sure exactly how large of a cuff I want to do yet, but I am going to do the cuffs for the cuffs of her sleeves of her dress. Next shot I make, I'm probably going to have the edges, the raw edges of at least the big pieces done, because I like to press my seams open. But anyway, that's it for this one. Okay, it's done again, and I'm back. So this is the day before the video should be posted, and this is about as far as I've gotten. I'm in this terrible, terrible cold snap, and right now we're all just trying to stay warm where I'm at. Anyway, so I'm going to try to get this thing finished up so I can get it posted and some pictures made and all of that stuff. Anyway, so what I've done is I have actually sewn the sides together, and I pressed my seams open, and then I went ahead and I serged the bottom just so that it will not fray, and I have sewn the facings together, and then serged around the side that's not going to be sewn, to the point now where I actually need to put the sleeves, set them in before I finish up everything. And I am currently unsure if I want to put the cuffs on now or put them on later. I think I'm going to go ahead and put them on later, just for the mere fact that if I don't get them on, I will still have a dress, because all I would have to do would be do some other things. And I just realized that I completely put this together backwards. So this is going to be interesting. Anyway, I think I'm going to have to pick this out and resew it. It has been so long, and my troubled, or I'm not going to say the diagnosis. My brain just can't function the way it used to it sometimes. Anyway, so I'll be back. Just a little quick update video that I did indeed go ahead and unpick this, which is not something I normally do. I'm usually one of those that I will like toss it and recut it out, but I'm not sure if I have enough of this fabric to cut out another one. So anyway, I will rectify my issue, and I will be back. Okay, I'm back. I have gone ahead and I have fixed my faux pas here. I went ahead and sewed the shoulders together the way I should have in the first place, and I pressed them open. Now I am gonna sew the seams in, or the sleeves in, before I continue on. I'll be back. So not the best, but I do have the sleeves in now, and lightly press. I need to put the or the facings on, but when I do that, I'm actually going to be attaching the collar, and the collar pattern piece that I was going to use is not going to work unless I modify it, which I'm probably going to do, because of the mere fact that this is a back closing dress instead of a front closing dress. So I can probably, just split it down and add seam allowance and all of that stuff. But now I'm off to make the cuffs for the sleeve. Be back later. Okay, I'm back. I've got the cuffs sewn on, as well as I'm holding the phone. I didn't want to put it up because I'll be moving it around a little bit. I've got the collar sewn on, as well as the facings. Now, I don't know if I'm going to make or be able to get these collars to actually behave the way I envision them, but we'll see how it's going to turn out. Anyway, this is probably going to end up being a cute little dress no matter what. I'll be back when I have the side seams sewn together.